Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Safe. Good morning, Steven. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. How we doing, guys? Are you ready? Are you ready for an exciting trading day? Are you ready to figure out this puzzle and make some money? All right, guys, we got about like 4 minutes to the cash market open. All right, so what are we looking at? Let's take a quick look here. Talk about what we're seeing, how to set up for this market, how to take advantage of it, how to manage risk, how to come out of this making good for today. What we're seeing right now is an important event, actually. And that important event is we got ourselves here yesterday that captain set up short that pushed up the price to the bottom end of the cloud. And once we got here, we experienced a bit of buying pressure. Now they're challenging and breaking above this captain setup. Okay, so that's a retest. Even if they break above it a little bit, sometimes they hit a higher swing trade and then flip back in. So we need to be cautious of that at the open. The next swing trade target is 795.75. Harmony zone number 1 and 2 as support are 45.35 and 20 by 10. Those are supporting the price action. And pullbacks are buyable. We'll reevaluate this market if we break anything under 734, 735. So we need to be conscious of that. But the big target is 795. And the market is in harmony on the long side. So that's something that we need to be concerned with or looking for. If we are looking at ES, let's take a quick look at ES. ES about to hit and close that big swing target. It's showing more strength in ES than NQ. We have a 49.96 and a half target. And then once that happens, we have bigger targets ahead of us as well. Zone number 1, Harmony zone number 1 is 49.84 by 81. Zone number 2 is 77 by 74. And pullbacks are buyable. We'll reevaluate the longs if we break anything under 47.79. All right, so we got 1 minute to the cash market open. We have an inventory report for crude oil today. No, it's not that we have that. Then 11 o'clock Central, actually 10 o'clock Central. We have FOMC member Kugler speaks and Barkins at 12:30 Eastern. And beyond that, really not much. It's just the market. It's gonna be all price action. Good morning, Abe. DJ Mike. Good morning. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of selling pressure here a pullback. We want to see how the market is going to react to coming into harmony zone number one. First half an hour of the day, we want to see how the price action is building up. We'll go from there. What I don't, if by any chance, which is possible, we break anything under 732, that will put the market out of sync. So that would be a pullback that is a little bit too much for this market. Then the market will end up in a two-sided market. We're starting to see the early signs that that is going to happen. So like right here in price action, the market really needs to rally, or otherwise the structure of the market will start falling apart. Yeah, that's the spot right here. Okay, that's good. So there's still longs. They're trying to show up, but they gotta protect. They gotta protect that zone between 56 and 47.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order cancel. Order submitted.
Safe, can you confirm the quotes? Tell me how that looks. Okay. So what we're seeing here is a bit of consolidation. Okay, I get it.
Order canceled.
There's a little bit of selling pressure showing up in this market. We may get a pullback that's going to take us to harmony zone number one. And we're going to see it right now, right here. This is a lot of this lower high business that they're doing early on, and that is going to put the market in a position where it's going to just continue to sell off. I mean, we literally hit harmony zone
Stop filled.
number one, and here you go. They're rallying this thing back up.
Order filled.
Good morning, Sheila. Good morning. A switch trade right here is going to push the market really. I mean, that's an area. Okay, so we're coming to support, and we want to see how well they handle it. I mean, they're pushed it once. They put on a captain setup here. We're going to go back up to the 60s, and then we'll see how strong they are. I rather, if they're going to pull it, let them pull it right here, right now. Yeah, it's not there.
Stop filled.
Nope. It's captain setup.
order filled, order submitted, order filled, order filled. Stop filled.
Okay. So the market is still long. I mean, that was Harmony Zone number one price action. They're holding on to it, but as they go up, you could tell there's a little bit of weakness in this market. But I need to see more of this before we play this game.
Order filled, order filled. Stop filled. Order submitted, order filled.
Yeah, we're getting a little bit tired here. So as long as we don't break 61, we should see
Order filled.
a bit of selling pressure coming in.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay, so we took that one for a small profit. I need to hold on to these things a little bit longer, but we're coming up to that support, and I was hoping to see a little bit of a faster push. It may happen. So what is that, 51 to 50? Okay. Here you go. There you go. Here you go. Shorts, shorts, shorts. Shorts right here. See, they're taking out that captain setup, and as the price was going up, you could tell that the price is not strong at all. Not strong at all. ES hit its initial target, and we're going to target number with the next target of 5,275. There's a big divergence between those two things right now. There you go. I want my shares back. Can I have them back?
Stop filled.
Who do I call for that one? That was big money right there. Good entry, profit. Could have done better. Let's keep working. Let's keep working. One and done, my friend. Absolutely, absolutely. That's my motto anyway. Get it done quick. I mean, we were able to see what they're doing. In the quality of that run up was weak, And you see this often where they put on a captain setup right at the inception of a new cloud and then fail it. No. Let's see here. Maybe that's why. Oh God, no. What you're hearing? I have a laptop computer that's running, and it's doing trading simulated. So, in the back. So that's what you're hearing there. So there's nothing wrong. I just turned it off just now, so you don't have to hear it. Thank you for letting me know, though. Appreciate it, bud. All right, so they hit the neutral zone, busted right through harmony zone number 1, came to zone number 2. They're bouncing back and trying to.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, here we go. They're trying to figure out what to do.
Order
and we should
filled.
be seeing a little bit of a selling pressure coming in.
Order
Again,
submitted.
right here.
Order submitted.
We should see a bit of a push. Let's see it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We have a channel right now, channel number 1, short.
Order canceled.
Okay, here we go. Start breaking that. We're gonna.
Order canceled.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, we have a good chance at a sell-off. Okay, another one. Here it comes. You're gonna see a little bit of that going on right here. Most likely, we're gonna start potentially getting to target number 3.
Stop filled.
Oof. Fast action. Let's see them trying it again.
Order filled.
I'm gonna ease off on trying to put any trades in this market till it slows down a little bit. But we had that good entry point here. We'll see if the market has the potential of hitting another rotation lower. The market is out of sync, so it's a two-sided market. The 200 and the 100 are out of sync, and you're getting price action where they're rotating at the high end and the bottom end of the neutral zone. And we should see a bit of that going on here. Yeah.
Order
I'm gonna
submitted.
take a shot at it right here. I think we'll get a push.
Target filled.
There we go. I'm super scalpy again, but was a profitable trade. Here you go. That's trade number 2, profitable. Super scalpy today. I get it. It's still early on.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
The key here is do we understand what we're looking at? We do. Profitable here, profitable here. Okay. That's literally what they're doing, you know? Take the bottom end of it, take the top of it, and just basically go back and forth. And that is just designed to build up stops on both sides of the market. Then they're gonna run it up or tank it based on additional structure. But the current personality is this churny consolidation where any trend excuse me, any trend following system is just basically not going to go anywhere in a hurry, because most trend trading systems will literally just kind of buy the break just to watch it fade, and sell the breakdown just to just see it bounce right back up. So you literally have to, if you're trying to trend trade, just this is a scalping environment. And now the rotation is an upward rotation. Now, if we get to 57 and break that, then pullbacks will be viable on a swing trade basis with a target of 95. ES, let's talk about ES quickly here. We're getting a pullback to the middle of the range, and they're holding up. That's strong. And multiple rotations upward. That was one heck of a move. The big picture, we have a target of 5,275. Zone number 1 is being protected, which is the 90 by 87. Pullbacks are buyable long, and we will reconsider that or reevaluate at 49.85. Mr. Adam Perez, good morning. Good morning, buddy. Hey guys, for people who haven't seen it, but I'll just share the link. Let's see. I'll do that later. Okay, so 57 here it comes. All right. I mean, I can understand that. That was the last line anyway. I mean, they needed to kind of sell this off and continue, and this rally back up needed to hold for the shorts. So now pullbacks are buyable on a swing trade basis with a stop under 720, middle of the range 41. We're gonna see how well this pullback works, and we will look for an entry. Thank you guys for spending your day with us. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And hopefully we'll make some money together today. Not hopefully. We will make money together. We will make good decisions. How about that? Good decisions. Yeah, here comes the pullback.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
I mean, right here,
Order submitted.
I'm just gonna take a look like I'm gonna take a stop. Okay, that's fine.
Stop
Yep,
filled.
taking a stop. Or we're hoping to see a little bit of a pullback. We're not getting much of a pullback here. Okay, let's keep working. Okay, that's one right here. Yep. Yep. Okay. Let's see what we're gonna get a pullback here. I mean, it just rotated one more time. Just rotated one more time. All right, I'll be back in just a minute. Yeah, see that? Yeah, just rotated one more time. Okay, so that was a good one. Now, what did the market do? Came all the way back down to harmony zone number 2 to the tick, and they just bounced it right back up. So they're still trying to protect the longs in this rotation. Now it's 9 o'clock. Remember, 9:30 we have inventory report, crude oil inventory report. We're getting a consolidated market and a two-sided market.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We should see a little bit of a push.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop fill. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay.
Stop filled.
Yeah, okay, okay. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a rally here for a short.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I want to get short. Well,
Order submitted.
yeah, I may have. All right, let's see a push below 720.29. That will set me up good. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna have to flatten that trade. Plus a little bit. Okay. That's fine, that's fine. I'll catch you. Eventually, I'll catch you. That's a short right there with the 25. And we want to see 1, 2, 3. Okay, 42. Let's see if they get up to 42, then get faded again. Right now, the market is making a switch trade short on NQ. As long as we don't break anything above 58, there are good rotations on the short side right here. It's 9:05. Here we go. $7.30. Here we go. Okay. Mike, good morning. Okay, here we go. All right, Mike, you good? All right, brother. All right, let's see here. Okay, bouncing right back up. Okay. It's chop, 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 chop. That's plenty of chop going on. No trends. Really, all it is just scalp, 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 scalps. I think we had 4 scalps already. 3 of them made money. 1 of them stopped. All right. That's what they want to do. Longs want to play. Longs want to play. Now the 200 and the 100 are back in sync on the long side. You have a captain set up long on the 100 NT wrinkle. I mean, that's a big deal. So I'm gonna have to respond to it. I mean, because we hit, look at this level here, harmony zone number 2, like 1, 2, 3. You could call that a 4. Got close to it. So that's gonna be a big base for the rest of the day. This zone between 35 to 20 is going to be a big support for any price action throughout today. You could reference this zone for protection against any sell-off and measure risk against that. So captain setup. Next target for this rotation is 795. ES is continuing to move to that 5,000 number, and there's a bit of hesitation around that big hole number on ES. But that's the target, 5,002. Zone number 1 is 90 by 87, then 84 by 81 is zone number 2 as support.
Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I mean, I need pullbacks. But I could see how they're behaving here. It's just it's a shallow pullback. Momentum is there. There's a parabolic move on the way. $7.95 is the target. Yeah, no, and there's no pullback. Boom. 95. That's where they're taking out the stops. ES is going up to that 5,000 too. Very nice. Very nice for them.
Order filled.
Ooh.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay. Really? Next target is 820. I mean, good lord. 820. They're scaring all the shorts. I'm going to take a shot at it here in a second. Because that's just too parabolic.
Order submitted.
Come on.
Stop filled.
Okay, that's fine. I know, I saw that, and I liked it though. I liked it for a little bit more, maybe under the 800. But, I'll take a 5-point stop or 6-point stop all day long. Yeah, we're fading against the big target, and they're slowing down. So most likely we're going to get a little bit of selling pressure.
Order submitted.
Okay. Nope.
Or stop
Yeah.
filled.
Okay. We'll just leave it alone here then. Just going to keep it very, very tight. Target is hit at 45. Now the next target is 845. Zone number 1 is 795 by 85 and 70 by 60. I mean, I don't know. We'll see.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Yeah. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. It's starting to bleed off. Harmony zone number one again is 95 by 85. Yeah, we're not too far away. Yeah. Yeah, the environment is long. You got that captain set up long. I was hoping to see a bit of a retracement along the way so we could buy into it. But once it got up to these levels, I'm like, okay, we're between target number 3 and 4. Typically, the middle of the range on that one will hold. So I gave it 5 point stops and tried it twice. We just got stopped out. So I'm just going to leave it alone and see if we can get, you know, see what else the market has to offer up here. I mean, the sign would be a lower high.
Order filled. Stop filled.
ES has a target of 5,009. That's coming up. Yeah, NQ has a target of 845. That's coming up. Target number 4 here in this rotation is hit. The bigger target of 45 coming up. Longs are strong. Okay, here it comes right here up that to that target. Just watch out for any fade though.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Stop filled.
All right, target is hit. Next target is 870. ES hit its initial target, so now we're moving to 5,015 and a quarter. Yeah, it's just straight up. Not much of a pullback on anything, right? That captain set up long on the 100 NT Renko. I mean, that area was money. Target number 5 up here. And then we got the 870.
Order filled.
Oh yeah, that's the one. That's where they're gonna pull it back hard. You see that? How close we got? That's what you're kind of looking for. Yeah, we may get a pullback to the 36.30 off of this deal here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Target filled.
Yeah, it's gonna run up, back up a little bit here. So what's important is this. I mean, if that holds, meaning that in the next few candles we don't get up there to that 870 and close it, then what we're gonna see here is run-ups that gets faded as the market goes back to reach harmony zone number one, which is 820 by 810. So there's a pause up here. Yeah, wouldn't that be nice? I mean, we got a trade coming up here. The market is in sync on the long side with a target of 870. Okay. So there is a bit of a lower high, and that's just going to set the stage up for a little bit of selling pressure.
Order submitted.
No fill on that one.
Order canceled.
Put it out there. Okay, so let's see. See, that's another lower high. That's another lower high. So you got a high, lower high, lower high. I mean, they're gonna break this thing. I put an order out there. It just didn't fill me. So I mean, that kind of price action will get us back down to that 830 level. It should, at least 830 to 820. Here comes another rotation.
Order filled. Order submitted. Target filled.
Just gonna take small ones here. That's really super small actually, but like right here, they need to show a little bit more of a flush.
Order filled. Order canceled.
It should, right? It should give out here, but hey, Omer, good morning, buddy. Yeah, see, here he goes. I mean, I like that 45. Well, I got it from 45 to 43 points. I mean, here he goes. That's okay. That's okay. I mean, there was. I'm running upstream a little bit. I'm going against the stream a bit here. I'm recognizing that this pocket and especially this behavior, where the market gets so close to that target and just simply does not get there, like doesn't close. Then you're making two lower highs. Actually, my entry, which I tried, was 57 or so. So that should push the price lower and get us into a consolidation phase of this market, because they moved on from a trending behavior to a consolidated behavior. Okay, so now they're gonna try to run it back up a little bit, and we'll see if another additional lower high. We just need one good trade, and yeah, I mean, that could be the one here. I mean, that's a behavior right there. 42, 4 points, and just add to it on the way down. I mean, ultimately, as long as we continue to trade above that 820, these pullbacks are buyable. I mean, I'm recognizing that initial behavior, and it has enough room in it for me to fade the market, but I gotta keep it like super tight here. 6-point stop, and I'll make 6 points, 10 points, 3 points. If that's all they have for me, I'll just take it. I'll take it. Okay. See here again.
Order filled.
Yeah, see that? That's another lower high. We should see a push.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
You'll stop me out.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Okay. Let's see here what's going on. Any audio? I mean, you guys can hear me, right? Only audio. I have video. Let me see here. There's video. I have video. Omer. There's video. Omer.
Order submitted.
Man.
Stop. Order filled.
Okay. It's a little bit too choppy. Okay, I'm going to leave it alone. Let's see if we can.
Order submitted.
Man.
Stop. Order filled.
Okay. It's a little bit too choppy. Okay, I'm going to leave it alone. Let's see if we
Stop
can.
filled. Stop. Order filled.
It's a little bit too choppy. Okay, I'm going to leave it alone. Let's see if we
Stop filled.
Yeah, it's all good.
Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it's all good.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
What do you mean? What do you mean? I mean, it shows the trades. It shows the markers right here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
What do you mean? What do you mean? I mean, it shows the trades. It shows the markers right here.
Order filled.
What do you mean? What do you mean? I mean, it shows the trades. It shows the markers right here.
Stop filled.
All right, we're getting a push to the 2. That's fine. Let's see here. We have a push into 870. That's fine.
Stop filled.
We're trying to see if this market is done going up. I guess not. Trend is long. 200 and the 100 is long. ES is moving toward its target of 5,015. That's fine. And pullbacks are continuing to be viable. 870. That's fine.
Stop filled.
We're trying to see if this market is done going up. I guess not. Trend is long. 200 and the 100 is long. ES is moving toward its target of 5,015. And pullbacks are continuing to be viable. 870. That's fine.
Stop filled.
Trying to see if this market is done going up. It's not. Trend is long. 200 and the 100 is long. ES is moving towards its target of 5,015. And pullbacks are continuing to be viable.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
So they're behaving the same way right here. They're holding on to that price structure. Let's see how far they want to pull it back though. So they're behaving the same way right here. They're holding on to that price structure. Let's see how far they want to pull it back though. So they're behaving the same way right here. They're holding on to that price structure. Let's see how far they want to pull it back though. Next target is 895. ES target is 50.15. Pullbacks are buyable. Next target is 895. ES target is 50.15. Okay. Pullbacks are buyable. There you go. Next target is 895. Let's go, let's go. Pull back. I mean, the key is under 35. If you break under 35, then we got ourselves. A two-sided market. There you go. Let's go, let's go. Pull back. I mean, the key is under 35. If you break under 35, then we got ourselves. A two-sided market. There you go. Let's go. Pull back. I mean, the key is under 35. If you break under 35, then we got ourselves. Two-sided market.
Order canceled. Target filled.
Okay, I mean that's
Order canceled.
you're getting that pullback. All right, I got it. So they just
Target filled.
ran over the stops just one more time, and now they're messing with people. They're bringing it back in. I mean that's we're about to get a two-sided market here, and the shorts will have a leg in it. We could play that game. Yeah, look at that. Oof. So they just good for them. Over the stops just one more time, and now they're messing with people. They're bringing it back in. I mean that's we're about to get a two-sided market here, and the shorts will have a leg in it. We could play that game. Yeah, look at that. Oof. So they just good for them. Over the stops just one more time, and now they're messing with people. Bringing it back in. I mean that's we're about to get a two-sided market here, and the shorts will have a leg in it. We could play that game. Yeah, look at that. Oof. Good for them. So the 200 and the 100 are out of sync, and that's lending itself to a two-sided market. So you're going to get a lot of this back and fill pattern. Most likely we'll spend some time in this neutral zone for the market to build up stops. We almost got to the next target on ES, which is 5,015 and a quarter, and the market just stopped there on a dime and turned back in. So yeah, we're gonna start getting a little bit of short interest coming into this market. Here we go. That's a behavior right there that we need to be looking at. I mean, there's fading opportunities. You know. The longs are the stronger trade, but there's pockets of selling interest that I want to play around with. Getting a little bit of short interest coming into this market. Here we go. That's a behavior right there that we need to be looking at. I mean, there's fading opportunities. The longs are the stronger trade, but there's pockets of selling interest that I want to play around with. Here we go. That's a behavior right there. There's fading opportunities.
Order submitted.
The stronger trade, but there's pockets of selling interest that I want to play around with.
Order filled.
Okay. That's a short into a cover into target number 1.
Order submitted.
Just taking super scalps right here. Small, quick ones. I'll take it and try to build up one where I am adding to a move, but I need to see a move building.
Order filled.
Okay. That's a short into a cover into target number 1.
Order submitted.
Just taking super scalps right here. You're saying, okay, let me check that. I'll take it. Double voice. Let me try to build up one where I am adding to a move, but I need to see a move building.
Order filled.
Okay. Yeah, look at that one. Damn. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's there's a. Let's see here. Let me hear myself. I am adding to. See how that one works. I need to see a move. Yeah, look at that one. Damn. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's there's a. Good. That was a good one. Okay. I get it. Okay, so now we're seeing persistence, and that's what I'm looking for. And you see persistent. We got short, covered quickly to target number 1. All right. Okay. Okay. So we're testing harmony zone number 2. We tested harmony zone number 1, and the market actually rolled over. Testing harmony zone number 2, we got to the bottom end of it and ran back up. So they're trying to stabilize it. The longs will take control if we go anything above 850, and then pullbacks become viable again. ES, they're struggling with that high, and it's really evident. You had the high, which is literally that target, and faded it and came in with a lower high. So if we continue to trade under that 5,010, we're going to see a rotation of selling pressure coming in to ES along with NQ.
Order submitted. Order filled.
It's 10:07. Let's see.
Order submit. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if we can get to that 35. I mean, it's just this market is kind of top heavy up here. Yeah, we should see some momentum coming in here. Yeah, it's here it comes.
Target filled.
Top heavy, top heavy. So basically they're just rotating back and forth here, back and forth. Okay, so let's see if we can find an entry point on, I mean, there's two pockets. I mean, you're getting long pockets, you're getting short pockets. It's just one of those things. You almost like you have to pick a direction on the 20 NT Renko chart and look for an entry.
Order
And I'll take a
submitted.
shot at it here.
Order filled.
Okay, I'll take small profit here. I'm trying to put on, well, here we go. That's what I needed to see, that close of this candle. Then you're going to get a flush right here. You're going to get a little bit of a flush. You're going to get it here in a second. Probably to 25. I mean, as long as we continue to trade under 46.50, there's going to be pressure coming up here. We're taking small, getting stopped out small. Just need to catch one good solid trade, and we will be golden. Good morning, Shingo. How are you? Yeah. Hey, GED, how are you, buddy? All right, here we go. A switch trade. If that happens, then we're gonna start seeing that push lower to that 20 to the 20 to the 15 range. Is gonna come here shortly. Yep. We didn't need any of that money, did we? We didn't need none of that money. Oh, fuck. What is ES doing? Well, I mean, if you just looked at it, they put on a captain setup short with a switch trade and pushed it. That's a sell signal on the lower high. So that kind of structure is going to put some pressure on NQ on rallies. As long as we continue to trade under that 510 in ES, we should be seeing a retest of the 5,000. And that's going to push NQ lower. That doesn't mean that that pullback is not buyable, but you're not getting a momentum market. You're getting a two-sided market where you're getting pockets of sellers and pockets of buyers coming in and fighting it off. So I can go short, I can go long on signals and be okay on both sides of that market. Okay, and typically whenever you see the market stuck in this neutral zone, you see this kind of bounce. I mean, they push it from this end to this end and back up and then back down, and they're gonna play that game for a minute before they decide how they're gonna progress. And the shorts are gaining momentum, considering what ES is doing. So I'm gonna be conscious of this run up to this entry point, and I'm going to look for a reversal candle for a resumption of the pressure that could challenge that 810 and 805. That's one play I can take. I mean, if they give it to us, I mean, right now this push to 19 may actually generate a little bit of speed to the downside. We need a rally. We need a bit of a rally. I seem to be taking just small profits today, and my stops are where they're at. I mean, I'm not changing them, but we just need one trade to go, and a lot of them are actually going. You just need to stick around and add. Stick around and add. Here we go. We're getting a little bit of a push down here. Yeah, I hope that we could have gotten a little bit of a rally before this. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. GED, we're taking quick scalps. If I'm short, it's going to be a quick scalp. And up here from yesterday's behavior, the market really reacted well to that short signal into about over 100-point move, and overnight they just rolled it over. That's fine. They can do that. And now typically what they do here is they run against a structure like that and come and fade back into it. So I wouldn't be surprised if this ends up being a close of 795 and a push to a reversion to the mean push. So that presents us with multiple pockets on the short side, and then we'll see if we can find the turn toward lunch, and that's typically what they tend to do. So a whole lot of chop going on here. Captain setup long. They just put on a captain setup long right here. So I'm expecting a little bit of a push to 28 right now. That's the bottom end of the of harmony zone number 2. So you most likely get 28 off of it. It's an interesting spot right here. Yeah, it's an interesting spot. I mean, a fade here can actually gather a lot of steam and break this captain setup. But I rather see more price action, like this high and a lower high, than just trying to take this one at that level, because we're in the neutral zone. You have this captain set up long. They're going to push it up. They got it to the 28. Most likely they're going to push it a little bit further. So it's just one of those things where it's a non-trending environment we are in right now. It's a non-trending environment. Okay? So the market is going into this phase of consolidation in the middle of the neutral zone. And in this environment, typically what you see is the market runs up to this area, then get faded back in, then get bought in this area, and they go ping-ponging in this zone for a while till they trigger the majority of the stops. And it's either typically above 850 or under 810, and then momentum will start showing up. So what do I want to do with this? I mean, I can take, I can take some of this short if it just shows up with a one candle reversal, which is, it looks like it's about to. That's one option. But I don't like this captain setup. I don't want to go against it. I'm just going to just watch for more. Like I said, I'd like to see a high, a run down, a rally back up, and a lower high. I'll play that game. We'll see. About 54, staying above 854, 54, yeah. Well, if they break above 80, yeah, 54, yeah, definitely. I mean, they put on a captain setup short here at 26. I'll jump in. I will jump in.
Order submitted.
Oh, come on.
Order submitted.
Oh, you're going to get me like that? Wow. That's nasty. Okay.
Or stop filled.
Thank you. That's fine. I got to take my stops. Gotta take them. Really? If they put on a switch trade, I'm going to have to get back in.
Order, order submitted. Order canceled.
Took one profit off. I need a push. I'll keep one and I'll move my stop here in a minute lower. Okay, that's good. 26 is a stop. 26, 27 is a stop right here.
Order filled.
It's not moving. Now it is. Took that one stop there. That was unnecessary. I mean, the stop really is above 35, but I don't want to give it that much room. That's exactly what needed to happen here. You got a captain setup switch trade. That's just a beautiful short signal right there. We managed it the way we managed it. Too tightly, I think. A little bit too tight. Yeah, that was a good one, Safe. That was just a good one. I mean, you're getting this captain setup into a run-up, then another captain setup with a switch trade. That whole formation is just short right there. Now the key is busting right through 809, and then you're gonna speed up. I mean, I'm in the right spot right here, doing the right thing pretty much. It just I'm a bit too tight. I get it, but I catch one of these, which I did actually in a way. I just need to sit here and add to it as it goes in my favor.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, here we go. So a reversal candle is going to be 795, right? You're going to start picking up some speed and momentum. People are realizing they're getting trapped here. You got to get to 795.
Order filled. Order canceled. Stop filled.
Okay. Yeah, if they close this I'm trying to see, like, really, this is a good spot for a short on a signal. I mean, the signal is going to be a one candle reversal, and that will push us back down to 805. Nah, let them spend some time here. Oh, here we go.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, they're gonna get me again here. Oh yeah, look at that.
Order submitted.
very noisy here. If we can break that 12 and actually the 10.5, then I should be okay, or otherwise I'll give them 6 points. That's fine with me. I'm looking to add to it at that 10.5.
Order filled.
All right. Now let's see a push to that 5 and potentially retesting the 800.
Order submitted.
Ah, not today.
Order canceled.
Okay, well,
Order filled.
that's that. Let them run it back up. I mean, that's 6-point risk and looking for a continuation.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Yeah. Yeah, Adam. I mean, that's kind of what I'm seeing here too.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Captain set up short. See if we can get to that 10 or 11.
Stop filled.
Yeah, so it's a mid grinder in this middle of the range. I mean, that's basically what it is. Like this captain setup against this captain setup, this price action should have like busted to 810 very quickly. And the fact that we're rolling over both, that tells me the prices are really heading north. Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
This is a reminder. Meeting.
Order canceled. Target filled.
Okay, all right. So I mean, we're seeing the market slowing down a little bit. We're seeing the 200 and 100 are back in sync. Price actions above 50. We're still in this rotation where the high end of this is getting faded and the bottom end of Harmony Zone number two is getting bobbed back up. We're stuck in that tight range. Not a lot of momentum going on. It's a scalping environment. We tried the short multiple times. Some of them worked, some of them got stopped out. Expecting a bit of a push down to 33, potentially the 27 out of this price action. And we'll see. I mean, ultimately, this is a pullback to buy into. Pullback to buy into. We'll reevaluate the longs if we break anything under a 21. If 21 shows up, yeah, we may check out.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
A lot of people would look at this and say, oh, this is a bullish flag, and has a breaking point of 51, and that will generate speed toward the 61.71 equation here. But the market is in harmony on the long side. We're still trying to hold that bid. Anything above 51 will generate speed and momentum.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. The bond market auction is gonna put a bit of I mean, you already see it. The price action's a little bit quiet.
Order filled. Target filled.
Oh, take care, safe. Take care. All right. I mean, they're fading it here a little bit. I get it. I mean, they're trying flush some of the longs and reset. As long as 21 is holding, I need to be looking at these pullbacks to buy into. Let's look for 40, 75, 40. Good job, Steven. Good job. How's everybody else doing? Abe, Adam, Brad, Mike, Sheila, Stephen. Damn, yeah, look at that. A little bit of a push. Oh yeah. So that's what I'm looking for. So I need that. Not I need that. That's just basically what I was doing. Oh, that's exceptional. Steven, good job, bro. Making some money, huh? All right, guys. So that's it for me. What is it? It's 11 o'clock, 11:13. Probably after the bond market, I'll come and take a look at the market and see where we're at. But that's it for me. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.